How to convert MKV to MP4 or MP4 to MKV but don't know how. Most people download the wrong software or waste hours on slow websites. Watch this entire video and you'll learn a free, fast method that works for both conversions in under 2 minutes. First, launch Handbrake on your computer. This is the only tool you'll ever need. It's free, safe, and professional. Keep watching because the next step is where beginners usually get stuck. Click on File in the Source Selection area, then browse your folders and select the video you want to convert. This works the same whether your file ends in .mkv or .mp4. Go to the Summary tab and look for the Output Format drop-down menu. Choose MP4 if you're converting from MKV, or choose MKV if you're converting from MP4. That one click decides everything. Now click the Browse button at the bottom right to choose where to save your new file. Type a name for your converted file, then click Save. Finally, click the green Start Encode button at the top. The conversion begins immediately. Once it's done, your new file is ready to use anywhere: phones, editors, TVS, you name it. Secret tip revealed: this same process works for any video file, not just MKV and MP4. Hit subscribe for more fast tutorials and comment which format you convert most.